In today's world where online reviews can make or break a business, reputation management is crucial. You probably already know that, right? But did you know that online reviews aren't the only thing you need to worry about? With the rise of social media, your business's image and reputation are constantly being shaped by what people are saying about you across various platforms. That's why you need Brand24, an AI-powered online reputation management tool that lets you monitor, track, and improve how people perceive your brand, both online and offline. You heard that right. Brand24 lets you monitor offline reviews too. For example, from reviews on Google, Yelp, Facebook, etc., to mentions in podcasts, TV shows, and even YouTube videos. Now let's talk about some of Brand24's standout features. Brand24 offers real-time monitoring, letting you address issues quickly and capitalize on opportunities fast. Their AI-driven sentiment analysis helps you understand public opinion. Plus, their analytics and reporting keep you informed of your progress. What's more, Brand24 comes equipped with tools to manage your reviews and engage with your audience. This includes review invitations, response templates, change of business info, and more. And the best part? It integrates seamlessly with other tools you use, expanding your reach and impact. Ready to take your business to the next level? Start your free trial on brand24.com/TTP and take advantage of this limited time offer. Don't miss out. Japan, the land of sushi, temples, and surprisingly cheap hotels. If you've booked a trip, you might have noticed something strange. Airbnb is often more expensive than a hotel. Wait, isn't Airbnb supposed to be the budget option? In most countries, Airbnb is the cheaper, more local way to stay. You skip hotel staff, room service, and pay less, right? Not in Japan. Here, a business hotel with a clean bed and free pajamas can cost you 4,000 yuan a night, while a 20 square meters Airbnb in Tokyo might be 8,000 yuan to 12,000 or more. What's going on? First, Japanese hotels, especially small business hotels, compete fiercely. They're clean, efficient, safe, and tightly regulated. And they offer perks Airbnb doesn't. Free toiletries, 24-hour front desk baggage storage, daily cleaning pajamas and slippers. In short, you get more for less. Now let's talk about Airbnb. It's not that it's bad, but you'll pay cleaning fees, sometimes more than the nightly rate, service fees. Up to 20% check-in is often limited. No staff, no front desk, and forget about storing your luggage early by the time you add it all up. That budget stays and so budget anymore. Here's something many visitors don't know. In 2018, Japan introduced strict minpaku laws. Laws regulating private rentals like Airbnb hosts must register with the government, follow fire safety rules, and limit how many nights they can operate. Result: fewer listings, higher compliance costs, and higher prices passed on to you hotels, already licensed, already regulated. More stable pricing. Of course, some travelers want the Airbnb vibe. Cooking in a local kitchen, living like a resident, chatting with a host, that can be great, especially in rural areas or long stays. But for most short-term travelers, Japanese business hotels are better located, more convenient, and, ironically, more affordable. That said, Airbnb still has its place. If you're traveling with a family, need a full kitchen, or staying more than a week, Airbnb can make more sense. Also, in small towns with no hotels, an Airbnb or guest house might be your only option. So it's not Airbnb equals bad. It's just Airbnb equals not always cheaper in Japan. And I found some seriously cool things. Mountains, hot springs, this guy who made sake from sweet potato. But I also noticed something else. Tiny hotels. I mean, really small, around 10 square meters. At the time I thought, what are these for? Well, after digging into Japan's hospitality scene, I discovered the answer. Capsule hotels. They're Japan's affordable sleep solution. And while they may not seem like much from the outside, inside they're surprisingly comfortable. These compact rooms come with a bed, towels, sometimes a TV, and most importantly, a place to recharge. Now you might be wondering, why would anyone choose a capsule hotel over a regular one? Well, for starters, they're super cheap. Prices vary, but you can usually find them between 2,000 yuan and 3,500 yuan per night. Plus, they're everywhere from train stations to shopping districts. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly, hassle-free place to crash, a capsule hotel might be your best bet. Just remember, they're meant for sleeping. So if you want to spend your vacation lounging around in your room, you're better off booking an Airbnb. Have you ever heard of Japan's love hotels? No, not those kind of hotels. Love hotels are a unique feature of Japanese culture that are worth exploring. At first glance, they might appear to be just another quirky aspect of Japanese tourism. However, delving deeper reveals a lot about Japan's social norms, economy, and evolving values. 8. While most cities have love hotels, Tokyo stands out. 8. It's home to almost half of Japan's love hotel market and hundreds of themed rooms. Wow, one of the most popular themes is anime, with everything from Pokemon to K-On! But you can also find rooms based on famous works like Romeo and Juliet, or even everyday settings like a school classroom. So why do they exist? Well, it goes back to Japan's cultural norms around privacy and intimacy. Unlike Western countries, Japan doesn't have many private spaces where couples can spend time together, so love hotels provide a solution. They also cater to the demand for quick getaways from busy city life, offering a private space where people can relax without the pressure of committing to a longer vacation. But Japan's love hotels aren't just about romance. They're also a big business. The industry pulls in billions of yen every year and caters to all kinds of customers, including solo travelers, friends, and even families. Some even allow pets, providing a rare opportunity for animal lovers to spend time with their furry friends in the city. The rooms themselves are designed to cater to every need. They come with all kinds of amenities, from TVs and game consoles to karaoke machines and private bathrooms. Some even have secret passages and hidden features that add to the excitement. However, despite their popularity, Japan's love hotels are facing challenges. The country's declining population and changing social norms have impacted the industry. Plus, the rise of Airbnb and other short-term rental services has provided more competition. But despite these challenges, Japan's love hotels continue to evolve, offering new themes and services to stay afloat. Whether you're interested in Japanese culture, looking for a unique travel experience, or just curious about this billion-dollar industry, Japan's love hotels are definitely worth checking out. There are countless reasons to visit Japan, from its bustling cities to peaceful temples. But the real charm lies in its smaller towns. Here are 6 reasons why Japan's local areas will steal your heart. No. 1. Untouched culture. Step into a traditional town, and you'll feel like you've traveled back in time. From historic streets to traditional festivals, you'll experience authentic Japan away from the neon lights of Tokyo. Number 2. Nature's embrace. Whether it's cherry blossoms in spring or autumn leaves in fall, Japan's towns offer a picturesque backdrop for nature lovers. Take a stroll through a bamboo forest or hike up a mountain for breathtaking views. No. 3. Warm hospitality. Away from the crowds, you'll find locals eager to share their culture and customs. With warm smiles and helpful gestures, you'll feel the true meaning of Japanese hospitality. No. 4. Airy delights. From fresh seafood to mouth-watering ramen, Japan's towns offer a culinary adventure. Sample local specialties and discover hidden gems that are off the beaten path. No. 5. Craftsmanship and creativity. Experience traditional crafts like pottery making, woodblock printing, and calligraphy. Learn from local artisans and witness centuries-old techniques passed down through generations. No. 6. Serenity and tranquility. Escape the hustle and bustle of city life and immerse yourself in the peacefulness of Japan's towns. Find solace in serene gardens, tranquil temples, and peaceful countryside. Are you ready to explore Japan's enchanting towns? Share your experiences below and let others know why they should visit. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Your support means the world to us. Till next time, happy travels.